What does Northwest need? How many of your students will go to college? That's what you need to find out. You decide how to set up your school and your English program. If only 30% of your students are going to college, teach that 30% hard English and math. If a lot of students are staying there, teach them enough English so they can be successful in Northwest. It's your school. And this is where I get in trouble. I believe you should decide the curriculum because it's your school, it's your region. But then you teach it hard and you assess it. How do I know Northwest is a good school region? I don't. You tell me, what do you want a student to be able to do? And then you decide how to do it. I was a director of education. And the first thing I learned is I'm not important as director of education. I don't teach. I'm not a principal. Those are the important people. I'm not the community. That's what I want to see from Northwest. What do you want when a student is done? What is a good education in Northwest? Okay? So again, all we're doing at Chuuk High School is we are finding those students who want to go to college and we're pushing English and math. 2 years ago, a 12th grader at Chuuk High School, if they took the common test on the essay, our score was 14 out of 50. That's not an F. That's like an R. We weren't even close to an F yet. 14. Last year we got it up to 18. 2 years ago, 18, and then last year, 23. So in 2 years, we went from 14 to 23. Now, 23 is an F minus. So we're not done yet. But I had 50 students, seniors, in my college prep English. Now, Xavier graduates about 35, 40 seniors a year. My 50 students on that essay test averaged a 38 on the essay. Xavier averaged a 44. So my seniors, if you come to my school with no tuition, we're free. Our English program right now is this close to Xavier. Our math program still has problems. But my teachers speak English. My teachers show up every day. Remember, I believe teachers are the key. Your students can't learn English one period a day. If they go to English class and that's the only time they hear English, you're not helping them. But right now at our school, we have English 5 periods a day. Science class, that's an English class. Social studies class, that's an English class. And we are finding their scores going up because they're smart. They can do it, they just need to hear it and practice it. Now maybe you say, I'm a teacher, my English isn't very good. If you want that young person to go to college, you have to get better at your English. Or you ask your principal, let me teach something else. It's the teacher. That's the key. It's not the book. It's not the curriculum. It's not the central office. It's the teacher. We do some after-school programs because, like you, we don't have lunch. My kids get hungry. We get done school at 12:05. When they start to get hungry, the brain stops. When the stomach makes noise, the brain can't hear. So we stop. But we do ask our college students to come back at 1 o'clock or 1:30 for another hour of just practice writing. A lot of journal writing. Okay, this year we're going to do some radio programs. We're going to film some movies. They're going to speak English, and they don't know that they're being educated because it's fun. I'm not a big believer in sit in a classroom and use a book. It's hot in Chuuk. We're hungry in Chuuk. Do more enjoyable things where they're speaking and writing in English without knowing that they're doing classwork. So that's a quick overview of what we're doing. I know there's a curriculum. I don't think it's been working for me. So I've tried something different and I assess it, and if it doesn't work, I change it again. Again, like Father Arthur said, there's no one thing. Teachers are all different. Don't try to teach like me. Don't try to teach like someone else. You teach your way, but if you show up every day, and if you push those students, they will do it. Chuuk, these young people are the smartest young people I've ever taught. Better than the Kosharians and Fontaines and Hawaiians. There's no reason for us down here. No more excuses. So I'm very excited to work with Northwest. I want to do what I can. Please, before you leave today, come to the back, get all the stuff I brought you. Candy, sugar, just paperwork. But it's worked for me. Take what works, throw away the rest if it doesn't work. Okay? And then I'm happy to answer any questions you may have too about what we're doing at Chuuk High School. But to review, I believe they're this smart. So no excuse for this score. I make them do this work, they can do it, you can make them do it. It's time that we're proud of our students. No more excuses. Now that's all I've got. Do you have any questions, any comments?